what's up? I'm going to show you how to play All of Me on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to want to put your capo on 1, and you're going to use a lot of this G shape here. So keep your pinky and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2 high strings. And you're going to be moving your middle and your pointer around to play the majority of the song. E to C, G to D. Just repeat that. E, C, G to D. And I'm so dizzy, but I'll be alright. So that A minor comes out of nowhere. Don't miss it. It's at the end of the verse. A minor. Head's underwater to G to D back to A minor. You're crazy and I'm to D. Then you go into the chorus. G, walk it down to E, E minor, up to the C shape here, and then to D. Give your all to me, my all to you, in my end, in my beginning, even when I lose and win it, 'cause I give you all me. You give me all you. Oh. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, no worries. Just replay this video. You'll get it.